Did you know Louis Vuitton will pay you $15,000 per month to promote their products? No experience needed, you don't have to show your face, and you can do it from anywhere. Let me show you how.
You're gonna head over to Google and you're gonna type in Louis Vuitton affiliate program, and then you want to click on this link right here. You can see they will pay you up to 20% per sale. Next, you're gonna click join affiliate program. You're gonna fill out the information and then you're gonna hit submit, and then you will get your affiliate link once you're approved. Once you're approved, you should be able to promote any product on their website. Choose a product you like and then head over to Pinterest. Once you're on Pinterest.com, click on create and then create an idea pin. You're gonna add the picture, the title, and the description, which you can also get from their website. Just copy and paste. See where it says link? This is where you want to put your affiliate link because that's how you're gonna get paid. When somebody on Pinterest clicks and buys through this affiliate link, Louis Vuitton will pay you 20% in commission. Once that's done, go ahead and click on publish. Do the exact same process to as many products as you would like.
This is one product from one company. 86 of companies that you like and trust have affiliate programs just like this one. If you want to learn how regular people just like me are having 4 figures days with high ticket commissions, make sure you follow my page and comment info, and I will reach out to you and basically help you to get started.